Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to change Bitmoji outfit on Snapchat. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply get up to your profile section on your Snapchat, and right after that you need to go for settings bar on your right upper side. Then you need to scroll down and find for Bitmoji, in which here it is related on the side, which is confused with the first my account section. Go for Bitmoji and go for change Bitmoji outfit on the first selection. Click on it and then wait to load to the main point of this video. And here, as you can see, here are all the outfits that could be included in this Snapchat side. Now I can choose whatever I want. I will go with these shoes. I will try to pick up this. I will scroll down and take a look for this side, and here I can get up this hat. I will go for save, and if I get back again to my Bitmoji, as you can see, we have changed our Bitmoji outfit. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.